So I think the biggest challenge this client faced was shipping frozen items. Part of that solution incorporated a full dry ice production system built right into the e-commerce fulfillment operation. We produce ice on the fly, we load that product into those packages, we seal the packages, and we ship it out to make sure it gets home fresh to our clients. Being multi-temperature, multi-environment for the products being stored, we needed to design a facility around this operation. That's freezer, it's ambient, and it's also chilled product environments with unique humidity requirements. We go through a very deliberate engineering process to come to the final result to make sure that product integrity is always maintained and the end user, the end recipient of this e-commerce gets the best product ever.
The solution that TGW designed was a multi-temperature goods-to-person solution. For the client, it affords them the ability to invest in automation while maintaining high levels of flexibility for their overall operation.
Other unique attributes are the automated packaging line, the automated picking lines. Those operations make this extremely lean. We see a very good use of labor at the right place where people need to be involved, and where somebody doesn't need to be involved, we've augmented that with an automated response.
Well, FlashPick is the perfect system for this solution because it provides the optimal level of flexibility for the customer. FlashPick is designed to operate with high levels of accuracy and productivity regardless of order structure. And a benefit of the PickCenter One workstation is that it was built with the user in mind. So the user interface is intuitive based on the actions and motions of a picking worker. So as they work to fulfill orders, everything has been designed with the optimal ergonomics to continue working at a high pace with high accuracy.
Geography makes a difference, not only in the way the facility is placed, but the client may need help finding the right site so that we've got a labor resource, we've got the right incentives for municipalities, and just the right type of construction elements to apply to that region. Burns & McDonnell uses an integrated team approach for a lot of reasons. When you're doing a design build project, everybody needs to communicate. All of these elements have to come together to produce the right package around the right automated system. And so an integrated design approach allows us to be flexible along this progressive path with our client, and that way it's unique to them, it fits their needs, and it's got flexibility at the end of the day.
I think the way we support customers is collaboratively. We've gained a mutual trust between the two companies. So Burns & McDonnell, from a construction standpoint, building the envelope with specific engineering to meet the customer's needs, and TGW providing the automation expertise inside solutions.
This project's absolutely a game changer for our client. We have addressed some really specific needs in the e-commerce market. It's lack of labor, it's cost of labor, it's safety in the environment. We want to make sure that we've produced a product that allows our client to produce high-rate e-commerce in a safe way and an efficient way, and we've done that.